Intelligent engineering. Total performance. The Blue Star air-to-water monobloc heat pump. Efficient heating in extreme cold. With the triple+ seasonal ratings. Smart defrost and nano blue protect ensure durability and reliable operation. Low noise performance and lower running costs. Precision engineered for reliable performance. Hot water at low ambient temperatures. Smart connectivity with BMS Modbus and Wi-Fi control. With future-ready R290 refrigerant. With a smart modular design built for customization and European standards. Blue Star.